Okay, yeah, I love this place because you get to do the galactic ranger missions, which A, are fun, and B, will level up your weapons like a motherfucker. It is the best place to like level up your weapons. I'm not kidding. It's so good. This planet's amazing for leveling up weapons. It's like, fuck your weapons, you're going up. Plus, there's a lot of bolts to get here. I mean, a lot. They can try and shoot me, they'll fail. They actually do something here. Surprisingly. Surprise, surprise. You can't get something, there's something here which you can't get until later because you need the slingshot. There was a trophy here, I can tell you that much. There was definitely a trophy. And that's a fact. Standing still, you can't hit me. Ha 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 ha. It's pathetic, is what it is. This is about to upgrade to V4, and that makes me happy. Now, there's two titanium bolts here. There's one, I can't remember where one of them is. I'll look it up in a second. And there's the trophy. The trophy's very easy to get. I know where that is. Well, I know the area where it's pretty much formulated. I don't remember specifically, but I remember whereabouts it is, so that's fine. Skill points, I'm not sure. Again, that I will check later. Nothing here. Nothing. Some small amounts of bolts. Hello, I got times 2. Whoa, hi there. You can see that. Yeah. There are 2. It works. No, it doesn't. Oh, wow. This is a great place to die, by the way. And a very easy place to die. I'm not kidding. This is one of the easiest places you can probably die. Especially if your weapons aren't good there. It's so unbelievably easy to die here. Be careful is the moral of that story. But this is almost leveled up, which makes me happy in my pants. Why does it make me happy in my pants? Middle finger. Because it's an epic weapon as a V, whatever, 5. It's already epic now, but look at it when it evolves. It's like, wow. Screw it. That did it. Let's see. Titanium bolts. 1. Get some terror slider, jump the bridge. Oh, behind the building. Oh, okay. Okay, I know where that is. And let's see. Humanoids to snipe 10 humanoids off their towers. Oh, okay. Lucky I got the sniper then, because that's what I'll need. How wonderful. I think I better skip the cutscene.
Nice work, Ratchet. I'm coming in on the dropship now. Go, Ratchet. Get across that bridge. To access your world map, press select or R3.
I know. I've known that for a while now. Hence the reason I've been playing this game. Yeah, so I know where everything is, that's good. That makes things happy and easier. Lovely. Anyway. Drive! Damn it, drive! Oh, I actually have to go into my weapons to access it. No! Oh, son of it, I know what I'm going to do. Quick select. I'm never going to use that anyway. Swap it for the rifle. snipe some people. And there's some now. Assassination. Boom! Headshot. So, it has to be done. It has to be. It's like one of those things that has to be done. Didn't see it coming. That's what she said, lol. Is it even possible to get 10? Because I may have killed some, which makes it fairly impossible now. Oh, actually, that's a point. Goodbye. Is it impossible now because those 3 were killed by the stupid car? Oh wait, no, there's one more. That might count. Did it count? Yes, it did count. Excellent. That still counts. That is funny. Yeah, things are going as planned. If I'm right, I think this is the building they were talking about. When? This is the building they were talking about. You know what this calls? This calls a nitro launcher. Oh shit, dude. Oh man, you're strong. You didn't know about a nitro launcher, you are strong. Yeah, everything here is really powerful, so be careful. I mean, really powerful. You thought the enemies were powerful before, you haven't seen enough. Whoa, glitchy camera angle mode. Yeah, everything's gonna be kicked up a notch. Bye! Good on. They didn't know what hit them, because it was awesome. That's good. That works. And boom it goes. 1 down, 4 to go. Right, that's pretty much everything. Only got a trophy to get now. Wonderful. Where's the vehicle? The vehicle. The vehicle is over here. Ah! Drive. Scrubs, or whatever his name is. Scrubs. No, Scrubs. More. Thinking about janitors too much. Or plumbers, whichever one works. Bye. Do you know what this calls for? Annihilation! Ah! Oh, I'm alive. Nice. Okay. That's nice. That is nice. Right, where's the vehicle? Can I go in here? I wonder. I could, but it wouldn't be very helpful to me. Whee! Let's go to the next section. There's a car there. We're going down. Everything here is going down. The trophy's up there, by the way. Whoa! There's nice stuff down here, which is good for me. Gives me ammo and things. Oh yeah, I remember how to get across. Silly me. Silly me. Okay. It's bad. At first glance, it's very bad. Second glance, also very bad. Remember this. I'm superior. And also remember this. Boom. That's what you need to remember. Boom. Remember that and you're set. Bring them on. And you're gone. As for that, very easy. Even too easy. All too easy for me. There you go, how wonderful is that? I just got the owl trophy. Firstly, I thought it said AI, but no. We got the AI trophy, but the AI didn't do anything. It was just in a computer simulation. Shut up and accept the AI trophy. Okay.